Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today I'm going to explain a poem that is The Nicest Things, which is written by Joyce Hansen. So, children, this is the poem about a child who wants to do many things, what he wanted, but according to his nanny, those things were not good for the children. So, let's read the poem. Eating cake for breakfast, going late to bed, dressing up as red Indians with your face dyed red, paddling in the duck pond, it was summer too. What a lot of things children mustn't do. So here, poet says that he wants to do many things. What he like he wants to eat cake in his breakfast in the morning, and he wants to go to late in his bed, and he wants to dress up like red Indians, and he wants to color his face with the red color, and he also wants to walk in the duck pond even it's summer. But these things are not good for the children. Children can't do these things. After that, in the second stanza, everything that's nicest, Nanny says is wrong. If you put your toys back where they don't belong, slide along the landing, climb a tree or two, it's sure to be the very thing that children mustn't do. So, here poet says that those things that poet loves to do, but his nanny says him that these things are not good for him. And when children put their toys around and they don't keep their toys on its proper place where they doesn't belong, so basically the poet wants to say that children what they do goes wrong. And here the poet wants to slide with the land, and he wants to climb up the trees one or two times, and it's sure to be the very thing, but he knows very well that many things that children mustn't do. Children should not do these kind of things because these are the bad things. These are not nicest. After that, in the third stanza, wish there were a place where things were upside down, must not would be must in a topsy-turvy town, then I suppose that I had be topsy-turvy too, and only want to do things that children ought to do. So here the poet says that the poet he wishes that he wants to go at the nicest place where things are up and down, where no one stop him from doing anything. But he realizes that he should do those things only which are good things for the children. If he will do bad things, if he will do many bad things, he will also look like confused. So children, this is the poem about the child, that is the nicest things. So in this poem, there are some difficult words also. Let's mark them. Breakfast, B-R-E-A-K, break, F-A-S-T, fast, breakfast. Red Indians, R-E-D, red, I-N-D-I-A-N-S, Indians. Diet, D-Y-E-D, diet. Paddling, P-A-D-D-L-I-N-G, paddling. Summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Nicest, N-I-C-E-S-T, nicest. Wrong, W-R-O-N-G, wrong. Belong, B-E-L-O-N-G, belong. Climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb. Slide, S-L-I-D, slide. And upside down, U-P-S-I-D-E, upside, D-O-W-N, down. Topsy-turvy, down, T-O-F-S-Y. Topsy, T-U-R-V-Y, turvy, T-O-W-N, down. Suppose, S-U-P-P-O-S-E, suppose. And O-U-G-H-T, ought. So these are our difficult words. Now we are going on our exercises. Exercise 2. Pick out 2 sets of rhyming words from the poem. So children, same sounding words are called rhyming words. Let's see in the poem how many sounding words are there. Okay, number 1 is bed, red. Do. Wrong, belong. Do. Down, do. These are rhyming words. So let's note down in the book, in the blanks. Down and down. Do. These are our rhyming words. Now we are going on the next exercise, that is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, the poet liked to eat red Indians for breakfast. No, this is false because the poet liked to eat cake for breakfast. So this is false. And second one is, Nanny liked paddling. No, the poet liked paddling. See, the poet was happy because he could do everything he wanted to. No, he was sad. So this is false. And so children, this is your true false, and rest of the points you will do by yourself. After that, 4th exercise is write the opposite for the following words. Opposite means antonyms. So late opposite is early, E-A-R-L-Y, early. And in opposite is out, O-U-T, out. And rest of the exercise, children, you will do by yourself. Like now. Exercise 5. Where would you put the following things? Example, dishes on the rack. So children, where should we keep our things? Number 1 is shoes. Where should we keep our shoes? On the shoe rack. We will keep our shoes on the shoe rack. On the shoe rack. And next, clothes. Clothes, where we have to keep this? In the almirah. In the almirah. So children, this was your poem, The Nicest Things, and rest of the exercises you will do by yourself. So thank you so much.